We're looking at a practical aspect of mathematics that you guys can start using it in your daily lives. So let me pick up an example to make it kind of obvious. Say we are going to buy some snacks, right? We bought cold bale and samosa, and these are the prices. So rupees 47 and rupees 28. So cold bale, it's a snack. Actually, we you might know it. Most of you might know it, but with a different name. Cold bale is the name used in southern part of India, especially in Karnataka, especially me, basically. Not me per se, but yeah, in the state of Karnataka, we use that word. So that's what we call it at. But I'm sure you guys will know it in different forms, or you will eat it in different shapes, right? So how do we add this faster is the question. That's what mental math is about, right? How do we add this faster? How do we add this without any supporting material? Like you don't have a pen or paper, you just have to do it in your head. What I generally do is, first thing is I will see which is the closest number, I'll add those. So adding, let me put it this way, adding, step, adding, closest numbers. So this will be rupees 50 plus rupees 30, which will give us rupees 80. Do you guys agree? But I know I will, of course, in my head realize that the excess paid, right? In my head, I can imagine that I have paid excess, and that excess will be, that is more basically. Excess paid, that is what, how much I have paid more, that would be rupees 3 plus rupees 2, which is rupees 5. If I paid something excess, what should I do? Let me change the color. I should subtract, is it not? So what is the answer? So rupees 80 minus rupees 5. Of course, I don't keep telling rupees in my head. But yeah, for you guys, I'm just writing that rupees 75. This can be the scenario. You know, say the prices of the snacks were, example 2. Say this was 52 and another was, say, 28. So what would I do is I will shift this to 28. Okay. So here the step that I'll use is I'll shift. So basically I shifted 2 rupees to 28. Let me show the arrow. Again, these are many, there are many ways of people doing it, I'm sure in your house, if you guys talk to elders, they can make it very clear. So you'll end up with how much? Rupees 50 plus rupees 30, which is nothing but rupees 80. Right? So there are many examples, many possibilities, many scenarios. I'm sure you guys can learn a lot more from just going out and asking people around. Of course, people whom you know, that is, or even shopkeeper wala bhaiya or Didi, they'll also be able to tell how they do the fast calculation, right? So there are many ways, and all of this is your mental maths, wherein you do calculation, solve mathematical problems in your head without the aid of external tool, like a calculator or a piece of paper or a pen or pencil, so on and so forth. This is just an example. There are many ways of doing this and many possibilities, infinite number of possibilities.